Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We multiply by x to the power of 5 on numerator and denominator. This one you got about x to the power of 12. So I need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s to the power of 6. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have 6s to the power of 5 dx. Because we don't have number 6, so we divide both sides by number 6. This one we change by u. This one we change by u square. This one we change by du over number 6. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over u square, capital B over u, and capital C over u plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So about capital A, we multiply by u with u plus 1. Capital B, because we have u square in here. About capital B, we multiply by u with u plus 1. That's it correct right now. And capital C, that's about u square. So in here, we have u square and u plus 1. Now, we need to arrange of this one in terms of u. About u square, we have b plus c. About u, we have a plus b. About nothing, we have 8. Now, we look carefully about coefficient. We just have only 1 over 6. That's it about a. So a plus b and b plus c equals to number 0. So we have 8 equal to 1 over 6, b equal to negative 1 over 6, and c equal to 1 over 6. So we put this one in here. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 6u. The next one, we have negative 1 over 6 ln of the absolute value of u. And this one, we have 1 over 6 ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This one, you got about 6 ln of the absolute value of s. This one, you got about negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.